Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some really easy and simple, quick neon handwritten text in Adobe Photoshop. So first off, I'm going to click here. I'm going to select solid color. That way we're going to make our background. I want mine to be black because, as we all know, neon looks best with black underneath or with dark colors. Can't really see neon in like a well lit up situation. Anyways, you make a new layer by clicking on here, double click on it, and we're gonna go with an outer glow. Let's press OK now, and we're gonna try out different options. So grab your brush tool, press B on your keyboard. I'm gonna go with a soft brush, and I'm gonna probably go with around 10 pixels and a little bit of hardness, maybe like 50%. And we can try it out right now to see how it's looking. And now we can go back to the settings and fix whatever it is we want to fix. Now I want my brush to paint with white, so I'll select the white right over there, and then we're gonna go and change up the spread, the size, the range of it, and the blend mode, we're going to select normal. You can also change its color. And we're not seeing the white of my brush because our brush opacity is so low. So we're going to give that 100%. And there we go. Now we can make our brush smaller. And you can start writing whatever you want. Now you can just add a new layer, and to copy your layer settings, just hold down the Alt or Option key on your effect, click and drag it onto your new layer. So we can hide this one, and we're gonna start writing. Now, mind you, you can also be good at this and actually like do like a nice drawing or a nice lettering or whatever. I'm just doing this with my mouse, and I kind of like the children's text look. Now we can add a new layer, copy the settings onto it, and we're going to change its color. So I'll go with a pink. And then do that again for my last word. And I'm gonna make it, let's go with a yellow. And there you go. Basically, this is the basic effect. You can obviously stack effects on top of each other, and you can add more of this stuff. You can play around with the bevel and emboss settings, etc. Or you can just Command J and duplicate it to straighten the effect. But it's relatively that easy. You can just copy the effects onto new layers and just write whatever you want, and the effect will be applied onto that layer. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe. Go check out my Instagram. I post daily designs on there. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.